Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're at the beach. Let's have a little walk. So you've got Monkey Beach Club over there. You can take a walk along this back bit. So we're going to go down to Tulum. Spraying us down there. Doing a little walk along the beach. I thought I'd do this side, show you the bars, restaurants. This is our last day. We go back home tonight. As you can see, it's another scorching day. 47 degrees as normal.
It's not a full-time thing, is it? It's just a holiday, isn't it? Yeah, most of it.
So yeah, Faliraki's been good. We've had loads of fun. Met some nice people. Billy's treated us really well at Beach Boys. Will not accept my money. He's a good man. We'll be back to see Billy, definitely. YOLO was brilliant yesterday. They invited us in for a cocktail. Mix was meant to be inviting us in. One of the reps invited us in, but turns out once they're full up, they want you to pay. So we didn't end up going in there. But yeah. So we're heading down towards Tulum. Have a quick drink. Maybe get some sushi. Damn, I've been walking for like 2 minutes. I'm sweating one out. So back of that hotel, go straight onto the beach. Yeah, it is roasting. So guys, if you can like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe. 90% of you guys who watch these videos are not subscribed. It'd be brilliant if we can get them subscribers up. Trying to get to 10k before the end of the year. We're nearly at 5. So let's get that push. Let's get us up to 10k, eh? New destination hopefully in August. Haven't decided yet, but you never know where it would be. We always book it quite late, so about 3 weeks before we go. which is going to be in the next week. We will be booking it, so let's see where we end up. So, got your water sports. I think I'm walking quite fast. But you know me, I like to get to Tulum, get my drink on. So yeah, really nice hotel back there. I've no idea what these hotels are actually called. As you all know, this is our first time to Rhodes. Three hours, 3 bays. Lindos, we went Lindos 2 days ago. We just drove there. I think it took about 40 minutes from here. It's a nice drive. Lindos was beautiful. It's a shame about that walk back up there, that hill. That was an absolute killer, that hill from Lindos Beach up. I didn't go up to the castle. Didn't manage to go up there. I asked the guy for the right directions to go up, and then he basically sent me down to the beach, which is fine by me. I went down there, we had a quick meal. It was probably the best tuna salad I've had. Very sweet, I like sweet. I like sweet salads, I like sweet food, if I'm honest. But yeah. So this is Tulum. Coming up here. We're gonna head inside. Get ourselves a nice drink. But let me just quickly show you one more time where we are. So you can walk in through that way there, and on the main road. Sabrina's in the distance, doing a beach walk, so she's going to come up here in a second. But yeah, let's walk into Tulum, get ourselves a drink. Music's going to be ramming in here as well, so. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, eh?